Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Coach Yoann, and today it is Tuesday, June 20th, 2023, and let me show you what I did day trading. Let's go! Okay guys, this is SPX on the 5 minute. If you've been following me, you know that I'm only trading SPX. I have to say now almost 100% of the time. So let's see what I did today. So I took 2 trades today. Number 1 was a big loss. Number 2 was a big win. So let me show you what I did first. When we opened today, we opened with a huge gap down over here. And then we retraced completely. When I saw a retracement here, I decided to enter because I had a feeling we will fill that gap. So I enter right there, boom, okay? We start to fill it, I start to make some money, and then boom, reversed here. I'm like, if we break that one, I'm cutting no matter what. And then went back up, I'm like, okay, I'm good. I start to make some money back again. And then this happened, and then this happened, and I was like, you know what? I'm cutting it, that's it. Actually, I added one more here. When I saw that big move up, I was like, that's it, we're gonna fill it, that's it, bim bam boom. No, it did not, therefore we cut that one. We went lower, and lower than that first candle, I decided to cut it. I was out over here, boom, that's it. Okay, on that trade only, with 2 contracts, I lost $660. Let me show you, boom, $660. I bought my first one at $635, second one $650, for between $770 and $650. And I sold them for $4 and $360. Yeah, times 100 obviously, so 400 and 360. So yeah, lost almost 50% on that. I lost a total of $660. Really big loss for me, honestly. Especially that the way it happened, I was okay honestly until then. And then when we reversed, my contract didn't move much, and then suddenly they started to legit like flush it, and now that the big losses started to happen, so I'm like, okay, I need to cut it. So I did cut it. And then because we started to flush, and I had my level on ES, and I saw that basically if we were breaking down 44.30 on ES, I will basically short it until 44.21, and this is exactly what I did. As soon as we flush it here, I started to enter. They reversed on me, and I was like, totally fine, I'm gonna scale in, because I'm not gonna get trapped again in trying to catch a quick move or anything. They're gonna flush it now at this point. It's very weak, it's been tested multiple times. 44.30 is weak. We're flushing, we're going to 44.21. That was my target, and that's it. Therefore, I started to add 1, 2, 3, I think I added 2 or 3 here more. So it was like a total of 5 contracts here. And then I waited. We tested here, that was my last one I did, and flush down, boom and boom. I said to cut in strength, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I said to cut it. The last one I cut was at the end of that candle here. A second later, all those contracts went up to $19, right? I cut my last one at 11.30, I think. So let me show you what I did. I bought 5 contracts. The total here average was 692, okay? 692 was my average entry price, and I cut it at 910, 940, 990, 940 again, and 1130 for the last one. All those contracts went up to 19 legit like a minute later, because that huge flush happened again and again here a little bit. So, but here was 44.21 on my ES target. Therefore, I just cut it because I hit my first price target. Yes, the first one was below 44.10. We hit actually 44.10 and went back up, and then this happened, and the market is actually still open right now, so you can tell that we start to fill up the gap, which I need to adjust it now actually. Boom. All right. And then we're going a little bit sideways now. So are we gonna flush it again to go lower? We're gonna pump it higher? I don't know. I don't want to know. Honestly, I don't care. Why? Because I had my first losses, and then I had my big win. So by the way, on this one, I made $1,450, right? So 1450 minus 660 equal 790. 790 for the day. For working since, let's take in consideration the first one, from 6:35 a.m. until 7:19 a.m. Not even an hour, and making $780. I'm done for the day. I'm happy with it. That's it. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please feel free to comment on this video. Like on this video as well. Subscribe to my channel. That will help me out. And share that video to anybody that you think might be, this video might be helpful for. Thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and have a great day. Bye bye.